Installing and adjusting cutters on the Hamer 125. Move the former out over the slot for the stationary cutter. Moving cutter has two cutting edges and can be turned when they wear out. Install the cutter on the notch on the former. The stationary cutter has 4 cutting edges and can be used 4 times. Install stationary cutter in slot against moving cutter. Clamp for stationary cutter. Installed. Bolt for stationary cutter. Install bolt loosely. Move cutters together and be certain that cutters can slide together and be smooth and not contact and hit each other. Tighten bolt. Recheck cutters that they move smoothly to cut the wire.